Welcome to Showcase Richmond. I'm Matt DiNardo. Many people suffer from financial hardships and are too embarrassed to seek help. But waiting to get help could mean losing their valuable possessions, like their homes and cars. There is hope and a way out in most cases. To tell us more is Rusty Bowman with Bowman Law. Welcome back once again, Rusty.
Good to see you, Matt.
Good to see you, too. Let's talk about this. We hear about it all the time. Many people, good people, who lose their car or truck, maybe it's been repossessed already, they can't get work or even look for work. What's the first thing they should do?
Very first thing is to seek a bankruptcy lawyer who specializes in bankruptcy alone and can help them find their options.
Okay, now we see this here. We can stop that vehicle repossession right away. So really, if they're in dire need, you can make that kind of bleeding stop.
Absolutely. You can stop the vehicle repossession. If the vehicle's already been turned off electronically or repossessed, you can often get it back very, very quickly. Let's just face it, repossession is the sign of financial problems and something needs to be done.
Okay, now is bankruptcy the only solution?
No, it's not. There are many other options. Most important thing is to seek good counsel, to examine your options, and to see what you can do.
There are two types of bankruptcy. Let's explain these for our viewers, please.
There are essentially two types of bankruptcy. Chapter 13 bankruptcy is where you can develop a plan to retain your property, pay back your creditors over up to 5 years. And during that period of time, you get to keep your property. Alternatively, there's a Chapter 7 bankruptcy where if you're underwater on your house or you're renting and you just have a lot of debt, unsecured debt, credit card debt, medical debt, you can get rid of that debt and get a nice fresh start to start over.
Now, to the layman out there, this sounds pretty complicated. How does the individual make that choice as to which avenue to go down?
The most important thing is to get good counsel, to seek a firm that has a reputation such as ours, where we've helped over 96,000 people over 22 years in making plans to effectively solve their financial problems.
Now, you've had some tremendous clients come through your office. Many have been extremely satisfied. In fact, one wrote a little letter here. Let's read it for you. Thank you, Bowman Law Firm. I had almost given up. My debt had drained all the income and I was losing sleep. After leaving your office, I was able to take a deep breath. From the bottom of my heart, I appreciate your help. Thanks. There are still good and honest people in this world. KT of Richmond. Rusty, to you and your staff, number one, that says an awful lot, doesn't it?
It's very humbling, Matt.
Right.
It's very humbling.
But you helped this person. I mean, she said she basically drained her money. She was losing sleep, and you put the fears to rest at that point.
Yes, and the way we did it is the way we do it for everyone who seeks our help. You get an honest, open consultation with a lawyer. It's free. It's not going to cost you any money, and you're going to have all your options explained. All
right. Now, final advice to somebody right now who is in that mode where they're getting the creditors to call, the repossession may be happening. You keep saying, get a credible lawyer. We know the Bowman Law Firm is number one out there. What is the final advice?
Call us early and call us often.
Right.
We'll help you. We want to help.
You really do want to help. Now, you have offices not only here in Richmond, but also in Virginia Beach. So those watching in between have a choice to go either way.
We have offices in Hampton, Virginia Beach, and here in Richmond, Lavernum Avenue.
And as you said, it's a free consultation, so making the appointment is real simple, and you get to sit down and explain the issues, and don't be embarrassed, right?
Embarrassment has no place. This is all about us helping you find a truthful and honest way to proceed to resolve your problems, just like you saw on the screen graphic when you were talking about the person who very kindly endorsed us.
Right.
Let's help. Let's find solutions.
And again, for people, I mean, this you've seen time and time again, especially recently with the economic downturn that we're still kind of coming out of. You've probably helped more and more clients recently than in the past.
Yes, it's very depressing.
Right.
But at least we're coming up with solutions.
All right, here's how you get in touch with Bowman Law and Rusty Bowman and his staff so they can help you today. Bowman Law Firm, locally in Richmond, located at 2104 West Lavernum Avenue. Also, as we've said, offices in Hampton and Virginia Beach. Give them a call today, 804-355-2057. On the web, bowmanlaw.com. And remember, free consultations. Rusty, thank you.
Thank you, Matt.